Welcome to Parkavi Finance, your reliable source for market updates and financial insights. I'm Tamilini, and joining me today is Akshita. Let's dive into this week's market highlights.
Thank you, Tamilini. This week was tough for Indian markets, with benchmark indices ending sharply lower. The Nifty 50 dropped to a fresh 5-month low. Major factors behind this persistent decline include the exodus of foreign institutional investors, marking their 34th consecutive day of selling. Disappointing earnings, a higher-than-expected CPI reading, a strengthening dollar index, and a spike in the US 10-year Treasury yield also weighed heavily on the market, especially the broader markets.
For the week, Nifty 50 and Sensex dropped 2.5% and 2.4% respectively. The broader markets faced even more pressure, with the BSE Midcap and BSE SmallCap indices falling by 3.9% and 4.6%. Foreign institutional investors net sold 16,031 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors net bought 11,775 crore rupees in the cash market.
Moving on to corporate earnings, several large caps like HUL, Asian Paints, Britannia, Bajaj Auto, and Tata Motors reported weaker than expected numbers. Heavy rains, sluggish urban demand, and weak global demand impacted their performance. However, there was a silver lining with companies from the IT, capital goods, select banks, asset management companies, pharma, chemicals, non-ferrous metals, and defense sectors showing resilience.
October's Consumer Price Index reading at 6.2% surpassed the RBI's inflation tolerance limit, dampening hopes for a repo rate cut anytime soon. The high CPI was mainly due to elevated food inflation, especially in vegetables, affected by an extended monsoon.
Now, let's cover the key corporate news. L&T Technology Services signed a pact to acquire Silicon Valley-based IntelliSwift for $110 million. UltraTech Cement plans to raise 3,000 crore rupees via bonds. Tata Chemicals' Europe-based arm will invest 655 crore rupees in a sodium bicarbonate plant in the UK. KFin Technologies and CAMS announced a joint venture for MF Central. Cipla received 8 observations from the US FDA for its Bengaluru facility. Deepak Nitrite will invest 5,000 crore rupees in a new manufacturing venture. Varun Beverages made acquisitions in Tanzania and Ghana, investing 1,304 crore rupees and 127 crore rupees, respectively. Tata Power commissioned 126 megawatts of floating solar projects in Madhya Pradesh. India Glycols partnered with Amrut Distilleries to enter the premium alcoholic beverages market.
On the technical front, the Nifty zone of 23,250 to 23,200 is expected to provide short-term support, marking the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. If Nifty falls below 23,200, further corrections could be seen. On the upside, the 23,900 to 24,000 range will act as a significant resistance.
That wraps up this week's market overview. For more updates, watch Parkavi Finance channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Parkavi Finance. Stay informed and invest wisely.
Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.